Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can fix the WhatsApp call unavailable issue on your smartphone. So let's get right into it. So what you want to do guys is launch the WhatsApp application on your smartphone, for example on your Android, and here on your home feed tap on these three dots in the top right corner and next tap on settings from that drop down menu. On the following page swipe down till you get to this section of your settings, help, so tap on it. And here on the next page, access the help center by tapping on it. And in the next step, choose voice and video calls from that list below. Choose voice calls on the next page, and after that you will be redirected to a list of helpful how-to articles. However guys, none of these how-to articles will help you fix the issue at hand. So instead, tap on that Contact Us button in the bottom right corner. That is going to open up that window for you. So here at the top, you will be given the opportunity to describe your issue. So do that really quickly if you like. You can also use the text I created for you for demonstration purposes. So let me paste it here into that text box really quickly. And after that, confirm by tapping on next in the bottom right corner. In the following, WhatsApp will send you a message via chat and provide you with further steps to follow. So wait for that message and these instructions from WhatsApp. Usually it should take them more than 24 hours to contact you. And that's it guys, that's how you fix this issue. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.